Hi, my name is Kyla and I'm a laser technician, and I've been using this type of laser device now for a couple of years. And the best parts about this laser is the fact that it is a multi-pass technology. And what that means is that we are actually going over the skin multiple times in the same area with a lower level of energy. Now what that does is it allows us to get to that high level of energy just gradually. So traditional lasers, the way that we would treat the skin is you would treat each spot one time with the most laser energy possible. And what that would do is it would create a spike in laser energy and a spike in sensation. Patients would feel discomfort, they felt like a rubber band snap, and that's how traditional lasers always worked. The way that this laser works is that we actually use a lower level of energy and we are going over the area multiple times to get to that same level. So instead of a spike in laser energy, it's a little bit more of a bell curve. And that allows for the patient to feel less pain. It also allows us to go over the area multiple times. So we're able to be a little bit more specific in the areas that we treat. If they have a certain spot that is a little bit more stubborn, we can go over that area multiple times. This also allows for patients to be more comfortable. They don't need numbing cream. You don't need external cooling tools, things like a cool air or a cryo spray. None of those external cooling technologies are needed. It also has low consumables, so you just need a little bit of ultrasound gel and some gauze. The device is, not only is it comfortable for the patients, but it also has less risk of complication, because by the time you would get to a laser energy that would cause something like a burn for a patient, because it's gradual, they would be able to feel that and they would vocalize to you that it's getting uncomfortable, and you'd be able to back off the energy. With the traditional lasers, you don't have that option because it happens so quickly. So with this device, not only is it more comfortable, but it's also a safer option, and our patients are seeing just as great of results, if not better, because of how we are able to really customize their treatment. So we love using this device in our office, and we know that patients are going to see the results with less pain.